Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this practical Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to remove a watermark from only the second page in Word without affecting the rest of your document. This is perfect for reports, cover pages, assignments, contracts and professional document formatting. If your watermarks appears on every page but you want to remove it from a specific page only, this tutorial will guide you step by step. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. I open my assignment and we can see here all page have a watermark is a backspace. Now I want to remove the watermark only from the second page. At first go to the last of the first page, go to layout menu, click the break and choose next page, then remove the space, then go to the last of the second page and make next page, then remove the space, then double click on the header. Then we can see the first page is section 1, second page is section 2 and the all other page is section 4. Now I turn link to previous on the all other page on the second page, click the link to previous, then go to the third page, click the link to previous option, then I select the watermark text and remove this, press delete, then go to design menu, close the header and footer. Then we can see we remove watermark only on the second page but have all page now. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.